VK Singh has said, both my government as well as my party have stated our concerns about what he has had to say. I believe that these revelations, I won't call them revelations, I believe these accusations cannot be dismissed out of hand. They require further investigation. This matter is being taken up formally by me with the Government of India for further action. I don't think beyond that it is appropriate for me to say anything other than the fact that this effort that is being made to vilify and villainize all mainstream political parties is extremely unfortunate. Most of us have no financial dealings whatsoever with the army, but these sort of statements and accusations only cause us great difficulty here. And in this one statement of his, the general has done nothing more than create untold problems for mainstream political parties, particularly those operating in Kashmir Valley. वो आप मुझ पे और जो मेरे एलाइज हैं, गुलाम हसन मीर साहब कांग्रेस के मिनिस्टर हैं इस गवर्नमेंट में, मुझे और मैंने ये बात जो है कांग्रेस की लीडरशिप से की हुई है. अब आप हम पे छोड़ दीजिए इस पे आगे क्या कार्रवाई करनी है. I've already said I'm not getting into anything else. I have nothing else to say. As I said, I'm taking up this matter with the Government of India for further action. I don't think anything beyond that would be appropriate for me to say. As I said earlier, these accusations have caused untold damage to the image of mainstream politicians particularly in Kashmir Valley, and I think Government of India needs to come clean on this, because otherwise all mainstream politicians are today being looked at with suspicion, and I think that is extremely unfair, because the majority of mainstream politicians have no financial dealings with the army, and therefore this accusation of his, I saw that statement that all ministers since 1947 have taken money from the army. I think it is important that Government of India conducts a threadbare inquiry, and even if the findings, whatever they may be, they should be shared with us.